If you manage multiple companies, run custom consolidation reports, or just prefer building complex models inside Microsoft Excel, you know how annoying it is to constantly export manual CSV files. QuickBooks has a powerful native tool called Spreadsheet Sync that creates a real-time, two-way bridge between your live cloud data and your desktop Excel sheets. Today, I'm going to show you how to find it instantly under your master settings tools using the modern 2026 layout. Let's get to it. To trigger the connection, glide your mouse up to the top right corner of your screen and click on your master gear icon. Look down through the drop-down menu columns until you find the column explicitly labeled Tools. Right inside that list, click directly on Spreadsheet Sync. QuickBooks will display a Quick Features Overview page. Click the green confirmation button to initialize the link. This will prompt you to open Microsoft Excel on your computer, where the official QuickBooks Spreadsheet Sync add-in will be added to your toolbar. Once you are inside Microsoft Excel, look at the top right of your Master Ribbon tab for the Add-ins option. Type Spreadsheet Sync to find the add-in, and then click Add. After that, you can log in with your official Intuit account username and password, select your company ledger file, and your real-time cloud data bridge is officially connected. Now you can pull live data, build custom templates, and even push bulk transactions back into QuickBooks without ever leaving your spreadsheet. If this quick connection guide got your system synced up today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.